Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 crashing. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, then you need to go to graphics. On graphics, you need to go to display and try to use play Black Ops on full screen borderless or windowed mode, because sometimes on full screen you will be getting crashes. Then apply the changes. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to quality, and then here you should see a VRAM scale target. As you can see here, for me set up to 80, it's way too high, so what you need to do here is to set up to maybe 60 or 50, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem do not persist, then make it to 60 and look when you start to get in crashes, right? And also on the resolution, do not make a super high resolution. Just try to first of all go maybe on low detail quality, particle resolution, and then scale up, because also high resolution, it really doesn't matter. If your PC is high-ended, sometimes it can cause the crash. So start from the low graphics and then maybe scale it to medium, right? Also, another thing that you need to do here, if you're using external devices like controllers, racing wheels, pedals, and all the peripherals, maybe VRs, that is plugged to your computer, try to disable them all and try to launch the game and look if the problem persists. Another thing that can cause the problem is other games anti-cheat programs. So if I open up Task Manager, for example, if you're playing League of Legends or Valorant, there is Vanguard. Look if Vanguard is running or not. If it's running, and task. Then if you run playing CS2, for example, you have Faceit anti-cheat. Try to look if it's running on your computer or not, and all the tasks related to that. If you're playing Apex, Fortnite, there is easy anti-cheat. Also look if some tasks running or not. Also, if you have a for example DS4 Windows app up and running, try to disable it or revast as well. Just do not use these apps because it can cause the crashing, right? Also, for some people, fixed crashes just on the task manager. They wrote Nahibic like this, and if there is some task related to that, also end all the tasks and look if the problem persists, right? And now we can go with the Game Pass. So the first thing what you need to do here is you need to make sure that your game, Call of Duty, and the app itself is on the right drive, on the same drive, right? So what you need to do here, you just need to open up a file explorer. Then, for example, for me, I need to go to disk C, and as you can see here, there is Xbox games. And if you're wondering on what drive Call of Duty is, you just need to right click on the game, manage, go to files, and as you can see here, it is on the same C drive. So this is good. Still, if you're getting crashes, the next thing what I suggest to do here is to go to Call of Duty, press browse, then go to Call of Duty, content, then you should see COD.exe, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator, right? And apply, okay. Then you can go back, and then as you can see here, there is verify and repair. Press verify and repair and verify your game files. Maybe they are corrupted. Next thing, open up Xbox app. Then you need to press on your profile icon, profile on the top left. Then you need to go to support, and on support you should see gaming service repair tool. Right? Press on that, and as you can see here, start repair process. And it will take a while, but it will fix all the problems related to Xbox. Do here is to right click on Call of Duty, then go to manage. Then here you should see a create a desktop shortcut. Click on that, and then your desktop shortcut should be created on your desktop. Then right click on it, go to show more options, properties, not properties, just right click on it, then run as admin and run the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then what you need to do here next is to go to installed apps. Then look for Call of Duty here, then press on the three dots here, then go to advanced options. On advanced options, scroll down until you see a repair button, press on that. And also, as you can see here, there is reset button, but the app's data will be deleted. So this means all the sign-in things can be deleted. So keep in mind that. And then look if the problem persists. Also, if you have not play button but install here, just restart Xbox app and you be good to go. Then should be a play button. Still, if the game is not working, then go on search, go on services. On services, click on one of the tasks here and press I, right? And then here it will be IP helper. Right click on it, go to properties, make sure startup type is automatic, and then make sure server status is running. If it's stopped, just press start, right? And okay. Then press X, then you will see four apps, four services here. Xbox Accessory Management Service, right click on it, go to properties, automatic, running, we're good to go. Xbox Live Out Manager, as you can see here, it's manual, make it automatic, make sure it's running, apply, okay. Xbox Live Game Save, right click on it, go to properties, make sure it's automatic and it's start, as you can see here, apply, okay. And then Xbox Live Networking Services, properties, automatic, start, right? Apply, okay, right? Then press G, and then it will be here gaming services. Do the same, right click on it, go to properties, automatic, start, good. Gaming services, another one, properties, it's good. And then another thing, and then look for Microsoft Store install service, right click, go to properties, make sure it's automatic, server status running. Next up, what you can do here is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox Gaming Services on your computer. So what you need to do here, you need to on PowerShell, on search, you just need to look for PowerShell here and run as, open up, run as administrator, right? And then here you need to put a few commands. I will leave these commands in the comment of this video below, and you just need to copy the command and paste it here and hit OK. And put another command here and then paste it and hit OK. And what it will do, it will reinstall gaming services, and you just need to wait for that, right? So let's wait for a bit. Right, so gaming services is reinstalled. So what you need to do here next is to just launch Xbox app and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, last thing what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, then go to Windows Update, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, and check for updates, your operating system, and then try to launch the game. Also, same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is NVIDIA app for me. And what you need to do here is you just need to go to drivers and look for update here. If there is an update, just install drivers on your GPU and then look if the problem persists. And that's pretty much it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.